Kevin, I have a problem with S712. Why is there a color error on the display screen? Happy.
The problem lacking with the hole on the color we need to replace it.